this video, I'll detail how to turn off silent mode on iPhone. So if your iPhone is on silent mode, all your notifications and incoming call, ringtone, and alerts will be silent, including social media notifications or your email notifications. So here, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off silent mode on your iPhone. So if you're done of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the easiest and fastest way you can use to turn off silent mode on your iPhone, if your iPhone has this action button, is to locate the action button and see whether the action button is tilted toward the camera side or tilted toward the screen side. So if it is tilted toward the camera side, that shows your iPhone is on silent mode. To exit the silent mode or turn off the silent mode on your iPhone using the action button, just tilt this towards the home screen side like this. And if you have it tilted, you're going to see silent mode on. To turn it off, tilt it towards the screen side. Then you should see ringer. That is going to turn off the silent mode. After turning off the silent mode, if your notifications are still on silent, then this is what you need to do. Go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down. Click on sound and haptics. Then once you selected that, locate the ringtone and alert and make sure this is set to the maximum level. So if you have your ringtone and alert like this, even when you turned off silent mode, your iPhone ringtone and alert will be at the barest minimum. Then increase this to the maximum like that. Then after that, you want to check your ringtone. So click on ringtone. Yeah, make sure you use a ringtone that is very audible. So make sure your ringtone is very audible. And once that is set, then this is going to turn off the silent mode on your iPhone. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.